Hello everyone, John Hyaden here with another daily revision. Let us begin. Before we start, as always, read the general risk warning. It is very important for your knowledge. I want to start with upcoming events. All events are taking place in GMT hours. I recommend you write the events down in your calendar so you would be able to trade and notice them before and after the announcements. The European Central Bank will talk about the future monetary policy. The decision over there may be affected by the Fed's aim to increase interest rate next month. Thus, most traders examine the speech to find possible hints that could verify the rate hike next month in both US and European economy. More news related to the dollar are expected today. Great trading opportunities are available due to the volatility along the day. So don't miss opportunities on pairs such as the euro, dollar, maybe the Canadian dollar as well, Swiss franc, and more. US market, spectacular day in Wall Street yesterday. The S&P 500 went higher by 1.62% and the Nasdaq by almost 2%. And that's after a surprising behavior of big traders who decided to trade in favor with the buyers. So all Fed's members voted that an increase in interest rate next month should take place. The explanation for the behavior, according to analysts, is the fact that now the uncertainty is over and we are almost sure that higher interest rate will set next month. Traders can invest properly. Furthermore, they believe that the increase will be gradually, with slow changes at the beginning, small enough to not to make investors to stop buying stocks. Using the technical analysis, we are very close to the last resistance area, which the graph couldn't break. It is going to be a real test for the strength of the US stock market, but for now the short-term trades can still be made in favor with the buyers. As you can see in the graph below, this is the S&P 500 daily chart. I marked the trend line, the last resistant trend line, and the resistance here that we already broke. And as you can see, we are getting closer to the trend line over here, and you can still see there is a spot I marked in yellow, which is for the short-term trades in favor with the buyers. Moving on to commodities, gold. The commodity is not giving up so fast. After last Tuesday we dropped below the 5-year low. The precious metal is still trying to rebound, and that's mainly due to the increasing certainty over the interest rate decision next month, which helps the gold traders to invest with less fear, and the ongoing attacks on terror in Paris also make their point for traders to invest in gold. According to analysts, it will be very hard for the commodity to climb back where it was. In the last 2 months, the price dropped, leading to a strong downward trend. And as we all know, the trend is your friend. Thus, trading against the main trend, will not be a good idea. As you can see in the graph below, this is the gold's daily chart. I marked the last support area here in yellow. We broke the last support with big red candle, and we are now struggling to climb back to the resistance. According to analysts, and in my opinion, we're going to hit this resistance over here, and the price will drop back into even greater lows. Crude oil not showing any direction. In the past 3 days, both buyer and sellers tried to find clues on the future trend. Using the technical analysis approach, we can see the commodity found a support level at the whole number $40 per barrel. Whole numbers sometimes act as support or resistance in trading, and that's exactly what's happening here. Trading with no direction can be risky. It's better off to wait a few days and see where should we go, down or up. So as you can see here in the graph below, we're not moving actually in the past 3 days. We went up, then down, and we are just sitting on the $40 support area. Stocks. Volkswagen, the German manufacturer in America, decided to give 120,000 gift cards to their customers who were violated by the last scandal of US emission standard, which was published 2 months ago. If we are talking numbers, the value of this gift can be somewhere around $120 million. As you can all guess, it's not going to end over there. Customers around the world are still filing lawsuits against the company, which might cause a tremendous loss to its stocks. Well, I think the message here is pretty obvious. Trading against the sellers will be not a very good advice. The stock is probably not going to show some very good reports for 2016, and therefore trading in favor with sellers will be a better idea. That's it for today. If you guys have any question, please contact me on binaryoptionsreview@gmail.com, and of course Ken Davis' blog on binaryoptionsreviews.net, which will help you to find more interesting articles and possible trades. See you again tomorrow.